This is not a story about forgiveness. But when everything you love has been stolen from you, someone has to pay.
How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core? Oh, I become so.
Hey.
Hi.
My spirit's sleeping somewhere cold until I find
I probably can't pronounce it. I try to give back as much as I can. Understanding of revenge was this.
you can just
It's medicinal. Cramps.